Today I'm going to refine this little bar. This is the first bar I ever made. So this is, I think it's an ounce, 30 grams, something like that. 30.9 grams. I'm going to refine that because I'm not sure how clean that was now. And then I can make some smaller bars out of it all. Yeah, let's see. This is that gold bar. So we're going to put some hydrochronic and nitric acid to break down the gold, get it into liquid form again. This is the hydrochronic acid. This is nitric. I won't put any heat yet, we'll see how that reacts. So this is all dissolved now. There's nothing left in there. And it's gone. So now I'm going to add some water to it. Some nice cold water. And then I'm going to filter it, neutralise it and drop it. Next step. I've added some ice cold water there, and I've just set a filter up, some cotton wool. So what we'll do, let's see how that goes. This is all filtered now, and it's come out crystal clear. That's nice. So now I'm just going to neutralise it and then drop the gold out again. I've cleaned the beaker out, it's all in here now. So now I'm going to add some urea to neutralise. acid in there still. Add some more. Dial down. So that's ready for the SMB now. We'll add a bit more just to see. No reaction. So I didn't need to open that bit. Making sure. Right, now I'm going to make some SMB and add that in a minute. Right, I've mixed up 3 tablespoons of SMB. Adding that now. And that's instantly dropping out the gold. All that brown into gold. So we'll come back tomorrow and see what it looks like tomorrow. So this is the next day. And it's dropped. Lovely. Alright, so I'm going to clean that out, rinse it out a few times. And then I can go with the other powder. We'll weigh it first, see how much I lost. That was my first refining, so it might have been a little bit dirty. There's something in the filter. So we'll see. So I've rinsed it out with boiling hot water about 8 times. That is really clean gold. So we'll dry this out, weigh it, see how much I've lost, add this to the rest, and I'm going to do a big refine, I think, in my next video, and make some bars. So I'll wait for that to dry next. This is the liquid I took out of it, you can see how clean it is. So yeah, it's very clean gold. That's all dried out now, beautiful colour. So that's going to be pure gold now, 999. So I'm going to weigh this, I think it was 30.9 before I refined it. 30.1, so I lost 0.8 of a gram, but it's pure now. Came out lovely. Yeah, happy with that.